Howdy, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to Motorworks TV. We're glad to have you along. Today we're going to take a couple minutes and we're going to talk about accessories, the curse of accessories and the joy of accessories. The the old saying in the motorcycle industry is if it fits, it's called a part. Because accessories, the embedded joke is, because accessories rarely, if ever, fit. So part of this is a cautionary tale about managing your expectations when you order accessories for your bike and you're all excited to install them because it's going to make it lighter or make it perform at a higher level or make it more comfortable or make it look cooler or whatever the case might be. The expectation you should always have is one of they're not going to fit or that it will be reluctant. And then when you do have a well-made accessory and it does bolt right on, it's a complete kit. It bolts right on. Then you'll be pleasantly surprised rather than encountering unexpected frustrations. And this is true whether you're putting on a little set of bullet turn signals because you want to have more petite turn signals. Another famous one are hand guards, the hand guard kit and the related aluminum that goes clamps onto your handlebars inboard and then wraps around and goes onto the end of the handlebar. That's another famous one that's notorious for being rather challenging in its fitment, almost regardless of what bike you're putting it on. Though what inspired this was a seat kit for a Triumph that we're doing, converting it over to a little solo seat, and the seat is sprung, so it's a sprung solo seat, and we unpacked it and didn't really care for the parts that came with it and the way that it was engineered and designed to work. So you end up rethinking and re-engineering, and if you grow your tools, skills, resources, and knowledge base, you can take that in a direction that makes it end up pretty cool. And this comes with time, but it's important to understand the destination. So you come up with a design and you cut it out in cardboard and kind of fit it a little bit and see if it's proof of concept and that it really is going to work. And then you end up cutting the same parts out of wood and plywood in the interest of making it so that you know that it will fit properly on the machine. And then eventually, the more robustly made model is what you use as a template in order to make it out of steel. So you can weld this up and make it out of steel. In this case, we're going to incorporate the sidecar lug on a Triumph frame and use that to act as the pivot point in order for the seat to go up and down for the kit that's going on the bike. So that's the main logic behind today's 5 Minute Friday. Is just the idea of always be prepared for the accessory kit that you get to not fit, and you'll develop skills that'll help you learn how to make it fit as you go along. All right. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next week. All right. Ride safe out there. Take care. Cheers.
5 minutes, staying in there.